For the last 4 decades, Jitai Machinery Works has ceaselessly dedicated to provide integrated solutions to motor production. Having begun with the production equipment for ceiling fan motors and gradually improved our technique to high-efficiency industrial motors, we recently focus on the production equipments for powertrain motor of electric vehicles. From our experience accumulated over years, we offer customers the most economical and competitive plan on production lines that feature the major advantages, such as high coil insertion filling factor, high-efficiency production, product history traceability, and process automation. Taking the global warming effects seriously, we actively develop the techniques for producing high-efficiency and low-energy consumption motors, which also enhance competitiveness of customers' products. The motors produced by Jitai's equipments have widely been used in industries such as automobile, industrial application, home appliance, medicine, and electronic. When Mr. Harris Liao established Jitai Machinery Works in 1975, the plant was dedicated to the production of specialized equipments. In 1980, Jitai began to develop and produce motor equipments. In 1982, our equipments have met international quality standard and were exported. Having continually developed the motor-producing techniques, we upgraded equipments for various kinds of motors, acquired quality verification, and cooperated with many major global makers. In 2019, the stator filling factor of our equipment reached over 90%. We adopt integrated project management from R&D, manufacture, assembly, testing, packaging, to shipment. These processes are all completed in-house for effective quality and lead time control. We apply Pro-E 3D software in mechanical design, static and dynamic simulation and analysis, whereby to effectively increase design efficiency and product reliability. In-house electrical software and hardware development include sequence logic control, human-machine interface, and servo system application. All electrical control units are international well-known brands such as Mitsubishi, Yasukawa, Omron, Siemens, Festo, etc. We further employ remote monitoring and diagnosing system in our equipment to minimize equipment service and maintenance time. Our R&D team is comprised of different field professionals in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, material science, and manufacturing. Therefore, we can effectively integrate theories and practice to provide highly reliable and innovative production solutions. To respond to the market demands, Jitai takes steps upgrading self-machining capability, which now possesses CNC lathes, CNC milling, EDM wire cutters, surface grinders, inner and outer grinders, welding facilities, etc. These enable over 90% of the mechanical parts made in-house. Further, every piece of parts and molds must undergo 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional measuring instruments and hardness testers. Parts and molds are also numbered with laser marker for customers' warehouse or spare part management. All Jitai's molds and equipments are assembled by experienced assembly team. We also apply portable 3D measurement instrument to ensure the assembly repeatability and dynamic balancer to get optimal operation stability. Strict evaluation in every detail to make outstanding equipment is our faith. Pro-E Windchill PDM Link is used to not only manage engineering drawing versions and project-related documentations, but also control project scheduling. It benefits the proper resource allocation for optimal project lead time. Jitai can provide customers with complete and high-efficiency integrated services from technical consulting, project management, design, electric control, manufacturing, assembly, testing, shipment, installation to after service. Jitai develops equipment for producing motors include slot cell insertion machine, stator coil winding machine, stator coil insertion machine, stator coil forming machine, stator coil lacing machine, we can also provide the solution of process automation per customer's requirement. Jitai's sales network covers 5 major continents and has kept continuous improvement over years in technique, equipment function, capacity, and stability. Our worldwide well-known customers are Panasonic, Hitachi, Toshiba, Midea, Recce, Nidec, Fukuta, etc. Over 40-year accumulated experience in motor production equipment is our advantage. High standard in making quality equipment is our DNA. Choosing Jitai Machinery Works as a strategic partner is like possessing a powerful support team who provides stable quality, on-time delivery, and high-efficient service to bring greater profit opportunity for customers. Jitai Machinery Works offers the solutions that suit you best in automatic motor production equipment.